the allegedly original Sazerac. To make this, you'll need 60 mils or 2 ounces of cognac. We're using Pierre Ferrand cognac here as it's most similar to cognac of the day. 5 mils of sugar syrup, 4 dashes of Peychaud's bitters, about 10 to 15 mils of absinthe to rinse, and a lemon twist or just little coin to garnish. You'll also need a jigger, a mixing glass or another rocks glass, a bar spoon, a julep strainer, a small rocks glass, and a shot glass. Prepare a small coin of lemon peel. Fill your serving glass with ice and add the absinthe, drizzling around as much as possible. Give it a stir and leave to chill. And then we'll start with just a little bit 5 mils of sugar syrup. Obviously adjust it to your taste, but it certainly shouldn't be a sweet drink, this one. I would knock it back a little bit from what you would do with an old fashioned. And then we'll go for 4 dashes of Peychaud's bitters, a little bit more than you often use with bitters, but they are really a kind of very key component of this drink here. And then a good 60 mils or 2 shots of your cognac. Then we're gonna fill this one with ice and give it a little stir. Give it a little taste. Yum. Once chilled and diluted, strain the absinthe into the shot glass and discard the ice. And then use your julep strainer to hold the ice back and pour in here. Such a pretty colour. Then we'll get our little lemon twist and give it a sharp fold over the top of the drink. And there we have a Cognac Sazerac. So now you know.